So hello guys, now we are going to solve exercise 6.1 question 6 from the chapter Lines and Angles class 9th CBSE syllabus. So our question is, it is given that angle XYZ is equal to 64 degree and XY is produced to point P. Draw a figure from the given information. So as you can see, I have drawn the figure. First we have drawn angle XYZ which is equal to 64 degree and then extended the line XY to produce point P. Now moving further, if ray YQ bisects angle ZYP, find angle XYQ and reflex of angle QYP. So this ray, that is YQ, bisects this angle ZYP. So this means that this angle and this angle, these two angles will be equal. That is angle QYP will be equal to angle ZYQ. So now let's start. Given that is angle XYZ is equal to 64 degree and angle QYP. It is not given in the question, but we will judge from ourselves that angle QYP is equal to angle ZYQ. So now first we will find the second part of the question, then we will move on to the first part. So let's do the second part to find reflex of angle QYP. So in this first we will find angle QYP and then find its reflex. So we can say that angle QYP plus angle ZYQ plus angle XYZ is equal to 180 degree. Since these all angles form a linear pair, so now we know the value of angle XYZ, that is 64 degree, and we know that angle QYP is equal to ZYQ. So these two angles are equal. So we will write that 2 times angle QYP plus 64 degree is equal to 180 degree. We can write this also. So now 2 times angle QYP will be equal to 180 degree minus 64 degree. So it will be equal to 116 degree. So 2 times angle QYP is equal to 116 degree. So now angle QYP will be equal to 116 upon 2, bringing 2 to the denominator from the numerator. So now this implies angle QYP will be equal to 58 degree. So now we have find out angle QYP is equal to 58 degree, but we need to find its reflex. So reflex of angle QYP will be equal to 360 degree, that is the complete angle, minus the measure of angle QYP. So that is 58 degree. So the reflex of angle QYP will be equal to 302 degree. So in this way we have found the second part of the question. Now moving on to the first part to find what is angle XYQ. So here is angle XYQ. We have to find this complete angle. So XYQ is made up of two angles, that is angle XYZ and ZYQ. So let's write that angle XYZ plus angle ZYQ is equal to angle XYQ. So this is clear. Now we know the value of XYZ, that is 64 degree, and we also know the value of ZYQ, that is equal to 58 degree, since QYP and ZYQ are equal from this equation. So I will write that XYZ 64 degree, ZYQ 58 degree is equal to angle XYQ. So now we can say that angle XYQ is equal to 122 degree. So in this way we will just change the direction. So this will be angle XYQ will be equal to 122 degree. In this way we have found angle XYQ is equal to 122 degree, and the reflex of angle QYP is equal to 302 degree. So we have completed the question. Thank you for watching.